Good morning, students. Let us continue the last exercise 4.3. So, next question number 6. If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body. So, what is given in the question? First sentence, if the work done. So, what is the equation for finding work? You studied in the subject physics, right? So work done, how can we calculate force into distance? So you have to apply this equation here for making the linear equation. Okay, so work is equal to force into distance, and the given condition is work done by a body on application of a constant force. So the force is constant, that means force is not varying, it is constant. It's directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body. That means force is always constant. So if the distance is increasing, then work is also increasing. If the distance is decreasing, then work is also decreasing. That is the meaning of directly proportional. If distance is increasing, this is also increasing. Okay. If this is decreasing, this is also decreasing. That is the meaning of directly proportional. Okay. So second sentence. Express this in the form of an equation in two variables. Okay, and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. So constant force we can take it as 5. So F we can take it as F is equal to constant force is equal to 5, which is given in the question. Okay, also read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is. Okay, so from the graph we have to find that work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 unit and 0 unit. These are the two options. Okay. So I am making work. I am let y is equal to work. I am making this one variable, and distance I am taking it as x. So we can make the equation y is equal to force. What is force? 5. 5 into x. So we will get y is equal to 5x. This is the linear equation. Okay. So what are the two conditions given? Is 2 unit and 0 unit. So we have to draw the graph first. So if we have any equation, we can put any value for x and y. So I am putting x is equal to 0. 5 into 0, we will get 0. If I am putting y, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5. If I am putting x is equal to 2, y is equal to 10. If I am putting x is equal to 4, y is equal to 20. Now you got 4 points. This is 0, 0, 1, 5, second point, 2, 10, third point, and 4, 20, fourth point. Okay. Now I am going to plot these 4 points here. I am showing here. So like the previous question, first 0, 1, 2, 3. This is positive axis. This is also positive y-axis, negative x-axis, negative y-axis. Okay. So like this, you can draw the graph. First point is 0, 0. So that is the center. Next is 1, 5. That is 1 here, 5 here. This is the point 1, 5. Okay. Next is 2, 0. 2 is on the x-axis. 10 is on the y-axis. Okay. Next is 4, 20. So you have to take y-axis till the 20. So I am just after getting 3 points, we can draw the graph. This is the first point, second point, third point. I am joining these 3 points and drawn a straight line. Okay. So I am drawing this line. What is this line representing? The equation y is equal to 5x. This is the required equation. So this line representing the equation y is equal to 5x that we got from the statements. Okay. So first question, if it is 2 unit. Okay. So if it is 2 units, you have to tell x is equal to 2. 2 means what is that? 2 units means when the distance traveled by the body is 2. What is distance? Distance we are taken it as x. So we can take x is equal to 2. Let A represent x is equal to 2, then the x-axis from A drawn AB perpendicular to x-axis meeting the graph at B. So we can say that from A, B draw BC perpendicular to y-axis meeting y-axis at C. The ordinate of C is 10, that is here. So when we are giving x is equal to 2, 2 into 5 is equal to 10, that already we got it here. So if we are getting x is equal to 2, we should draw one perpendicular line from 2, that this is the perpendicular line, okay, and this is the point 2 and this is the point 10. After that, this 10 we should draw another perpendicular line into this line. So this ordinate, that means y point is 10. So when x is equal to 2, we got work done is 10. When x is equal to next case 0, then the y is 0. Same. X is equal to 0. If you are putting x is equal to 0, 0 into 5, y is equal to 0. This is explained in words here. Okay.